Hi there, this is Daniel from Camper Iceland. I'm going to show you the easiest way to clean your kitchen. As you can see, it's already cleaned and everything that you used to cook. Now, you probably saw the video when I was making the lamb fillet. If not, check our videos. Now you see that I have a dirty pan. Make sure it's cold before putting it on the table. I'm not gonna throw food waste into this bag and make it smell. And I'm definitely not going to use this little sink to clean the pan and everything. I'm actually taking it to the campground kitchen where it's much easier to clean. And for the kitchen itself, because I got stains all over the place, I just bought these surface wipes that I'm going to use to clean everything up. The good thing is that these metal things, whatever it's called, you can take them away. And as you can see, the previous customer already lost one of these rubber bushings. Well, that's life. And now I can clean it much better. While I was cooking, I left the window a little bit open and also this one here on the top so that everything would get sucked out. Okay, so let's go and clean this stuff up. Yeah, and that's the beauty of being at a campground in Iceland. The stuff is clean. Heading back to the motorhome. Didn't have to boil any hot water or start my boiler, which I have in the vehicle. There's an onboard boiler and everything. Campgrounds in Iceland are so easy. As you can see, there are not a lot of people here, but you just drive in and basically park wherever you want. I hope you liked the video. Comment below, subscribe, and let me know if there is anything else you want to know about Iceland so I can make more videos. All right.